Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hey everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto. We got our 07 Mazda 3 with a 2.0 liter in it, and we're going to show you today how to remove the mass airflow sensor, examine it, and reinstall it. If you need any parts for your car, head on over to 1aauto.com. Hood release is located right here. Safety latch is right above the Mazda symbol, right in the center. You just turn it over to the right. And then you have the hood prop rod, and you put it in where the arrow goes and says rod, right in there and lock it in. I'm going to remove these 3 clips. This one might just be a pull-up. It's a body clip. There we go. These plastic clips are just like a little Phillips. I like to just pull them up a little bit, and then I can wedge them out with a screwdriver. Set that aside. Now we're going to remove this right here. Start by removing the tab, and that is a tab that you push down on the back here. You can see the arm push up and pull on it. Then we have 2 mounting screws. They're Phillips heads. Just take a Phillips screwdriver, pull that one out. Grab it and twist it, pull it up. And then we have our mass airflow sensor. To reinstall the mass airflow sensor, reverse procedure. Make sure there's no dirt or grime in there. Make sure the O-ring is still connected, sealed around. Place it down. You'll feel it push and grab. Install the 2 mounting screws. Just a snug down. They're plastic housing, you don't want to strip that. Snug it. Examine the connector, make sure everything's still there. All the connectors, there's no melted, there's no debris in there. Not oil soaked. Line it up, push it till it clicks. This goes underneath the air box. Well, first it goes down this way, sorry. Let's see what's happening here. There we go. So line this plastic piece up. It's got the V shape in it. You're gonna line it right up with that indent plastic. And then this side will go inside the battery box on top of the air cover. Then we have the plastic cover over here. There you go.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.